For example, if you have taken, suppose this is a any board I have taken, or you can say tabletop like this. You hit at this point, you can feel its vibration over here. How? So, how this energy is travel? See, as you hit at this point, particles or the molecules of the medium gets energy from this point, they starts vibrating, they transfer their energy, the particle will transfer its energy to the next particle will transfer its energy to the next, by this way energy reaches to this end. But the particles which are here, after transferring energy, they will come back to their original position. It means particle itself will not be displacing. So, by this way, from one particle to another, one particle will transfer to adjacent particle, next to adjacent. By this way, energy is getting transferred from one point to another. Similarly, sound, when we speak something, energy comes out, and because of that, air particles of the medium set under vibration, and these particles transfer their energy from one to next, and by this way sound travels from one point to another. If there is no medium, sound cannot travel. So, this is about this one, and this, as I have told, the wave cannot travel, cannot take material from one point to another. This we can see example very simple here. If you have taken here somewhere like a water here in this medium, and you set waves on the water like this, by throwing some stones or anything, you can set waves over here. And if suppose any cork is lying here, wooden cork floating here, what will happen? If the water is calm, there is no disturbance in the water at all. Suppose you have taken water in a tub, 100% calm water, and if you throw a stone at the center, you will find there is a like these ripples are created, and these waves travels from center to all round and reaches to the boundary of the container. If you have placed the cork in between on anywhere, so as the waves come under the cork, disturbances come under the cork, cork will vibrate, move up and down. As the vibrations or disturbances passes, cork comes back to its position. It means, it shows that with the waves, with the disturbances, cork is not getting transferred from one point to another. So, during the wave motion, particles of the medium, it means water from this region will not go to this side only, all the waters. It means all water is being displaced from here to here. It does not happen, only energy is being taken from this here, and we can get here transfer of energy from one point to another. Similarly, when we speak, as I have told, sound, when I speak, we produces energy, that energy sets air particle in vibration, and where this air particle transfer energy from one point to another, you can hear the sound, but air of the medium is not being displaced.